Hi guys, nice to see you again and thank you for watching Cooking with an Italian. Guys, today we're going to make a nice lemon sorbet, something super fresh. Now, summertime coming and my son love a lot. Because when he came back from school, he want always some ice and he loved this lemon sorbet. It's very, this is my way, it's very easy to make. We're gonna need just 2 ingredients. Well, a nice and beautiful lemon, some sugar, and that's it. We need the juice. Okay? Take your time, even if it's not long. Okay? And put in somewhere, like this. We try to take the bone, the pig off, and that's it. Squeeze all your lemons. And always, guys, if you like this video, share with friends, subscribe on the channel, and check our website, cookingwithanitalian.com. Okay, squeeze your lemon, and see you for the second step. Pure lemon juice. For 350 ml of lemon juice, I use 7 lemons. The second step is even more easy, guys. We take sugar, white sugar. I recommend you gonna go for 4 tablespoons, maybe even 5, because it's gonna be very sugary. Oh, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And mix everything. It is. And now we're gonna try. I'll go 1 and 2 more. We have 6. But this is up to you. This as well depends how many sorbet, because I want to show you. I'm gonna use this for my son. He like this, no? You can find in any supermarket. And I'm gonna leave some lemonade, just like that, to drink, because it's very nice and refreshing. Can add some fresh meat inside. It's absolutely delicious. Now, ooh. I'm gonna go for the 7th wine. We're gonna add now water. I'm going for little, okay? Ready. And mix again. Wow. Mwah. Absolutely delicious. Just fill up. Or you can have any form you like, you know. And I want to put this in the freezer. Yeah? 3-4 hours, maybe, depending on your freezer. I don't know. The best is the day after. I'm going to leave this until tomorrow. Guys, my sorbet is ready. I told you I left 1 day. And I think it's ready. The leftover, the lemonade is ready as well. And that's it. Now just we try.
Can I try the lemonade too?
Yeah, try the lemonade. And let me know what you think. It's sharp, no?
Sour.
It's sour. Oh, I love it.
And of course it's sour, but I'm very sour.
Oh, it's like I want. If it's too sharp, too sour, add some water, more water. And now, for try this sorbet,
When you add more water, make sure to not make
in the bottle or in the jar, where you book. I asked my professional ice cream taster. You know, look how beautiful it is, guys.
And see-through.
Huh? It's amazing. Enrico, you taste it.
It's so good.
So good. What? Guys, what's gonna say?
Exactly like
Yeah, it's just
it
natural.
tastes exactly like this.
Wow, fantastic. Guys, our sorbet, lemon sorbet and lemonade is this. If you like, always figure out and follow us. See?
And this is the sourest lemon ice cream I ever had in my life.
Figure out always. Bye. Ciao.